Welcome. In this OLIT 483 WebCT tutorial, we're going to create a new page, a blank page, for our final online lesson. The first thing to do is to click into our temp class and make sure that you're in the build mode, so click on the build tab and then click into your lesson. Once you're inside your final online lesson, to create a new page, the task is to add file. So we're going to click on the Add File tab, and we're going to create a file. You may give the file a title. This would be the title that shows up in the table of contents on the left-hand side of your online lesson. And so I'm going to call this New Page. Of course, please give it a title that is explicit to your online lesson. It asks you to add some sort of content at this point. So I'm also going to just type in new page right here, and that'll be the content on my page. You can go back and in subsequent tutorials we'll add some more information to this page, but for right now we can just create it by putting some placeholder text there. This part is crucial, the file name. Please be sure to add a file name. If you don't, it will use your title. But because we have multiple authors in the class, it's critical that you add a file name, and what I want you to do is to add your last name to the file name extension, so, like this. So I'm going to say Skinner _ and then I'll call this new page. Please don't have any spaces in this file name. That'll make it easier to save. So once again, it's critical that you add a file name and that you add your name here. If everybody in the class creates a file called new page, we will start to overwrite each other. So we need to be sure that all pages that are created are unique, and the best way to do that is to add your name to it. Please don't miss this step, otherwise you might overwrite somebody else's file. Once we've got our title, a bit of content, the file name, and we're going to make sure that show is checked, you click save. And now our new file shows up in our final lesson. So let's go down here to the teach mode. And I'm going to click on my demo lesson. Great, and there's the new page right there. When I click on the new page, the page comes up. It is white and it has nothing except that sample text that I put in there. In other tutorials, we'll start adding some more content to the new page. But that's the process of adding a new page to your final online lesson.